Welcome to EduRev. Let's begin today's UPSC Daily Current Affairs, 25th December 2025, curated not just to inform you, but to train your UPSC mind. As you listen, focus on concepts, interlinkages, and answer writing value because every news item here has direct relevance for prelims, mains, and even essay. Structural and policy constraints to manufacturing in India. Context of the news. India's manufacturing sector has once again come under scrutiny due to its persistent stagnation, especially when compared to countries like China and South Korea that used manufacturing as a springboard for economic transformation. What is the core issue? Manufacturing historically absorbs surplus labor from agriculture, raises productivity and wages, enables export diversification. India, however, skipped large-scale manufacturing and moved straight to services, creating a mismatch between skills, wages, and employment. Key concepts explained. High public sector wages. Government salaries raise wage expectations economy-wide, making manufacturing less competitive. Dutch disease. When one sector, here public sector or services, inflates wages and exchange rates, hurting tradable sectors like manufacturing. Technology deficit. Indian firms fail to invest in automation and innovation, leading to stagnant productivity. Uneven growth. High-income services versus low-wage informal work, rising inequality, and underemployment. Why this matters for UPSC GS3 mains? Industrial policy, employment, inclusive growth essay. Premature de-industrialization. Prelims. Dutch disease, structural transformation. Takeaway. Without reviving manufacturing, India risks jobless growth and export vulnerability. Bureau of Port Security. Strengthening India's coastal security. Context of the news. The Union government has created the Bureau of Port Security as a statutory body under the Merchant Shipping Act 2025. Why was this needed? India has 7,500 plus kilometers coastline, 12 major ports plus 217 non-major ports. Rising threats. Smuggling, maritime terrorism, cyber intrusions. Earlier, fragmented security oversight led to gaps. What will the Bureau do? Act as a central regulatory authority like BCAS in aviation. Set uniform security standards. Coordinate with CISF for threat assessment and implementation. Address cybersecurity and trafficking risks. Concerns. Coastal states fear over centralization. Questions on maritime federalism and inspection powers. Why this matters for UPSC GS2? Mains. Internal security, center-state relations. Prelims. Maritime India Vision 2030. Case studies on institutional reform. Takeaway. Security governance is as critical as infrastructure creation. New labor codes and threats to informal workers. Context of the news. Labor codes enacted in 2019 to 20 have triggered protests due to their impact on India's 90% informal workforce. What changed? Consolidation of labor laws. Dilution of sector-specific safety norms. Reduced role of worker welfare boards. Why informal workers are at risk. Hazardous sectors like construction lost safety protections. Occupational diseases go undiagnosed. Welfare funds now centrally controlled. Federalism issue. States like Tamil Nadu fear losing decades-old welfare mechanisms. Why this matters for UPSC GS2 and GS3 mains. Labor reforms, social justice. Essay. Growth versus dignity of labor. Prelims. Labor codes structure. Takeaway. Ease of doing business must not mean ease of worker exploitation. Tunnel safety guidelines. Lessons from the Silkyara collapse. Context of the news. After the Silkyara tunnel collapse, trapped 41 workers. MORTH issued comprehensive tunnel safety guidelines. What went wrong? Poor geological assessment. DPRs treated as formalities. Inadequate emergency preparedness. What the new guidelines emphasize. Robust geotechnical baseline reports. Collapse risk zoning. Mandatory escape routes and rescue containers. Trained first responders on site. Why this matters for UPSC GS3. Mains. Infrastructure, disaster management essay. Development versus ecological limits. Prelims. NATM versus TBM. Takeaway. Engineering without geological realism is a disaster waiting to happen. The deliberate unmaking of India's right to work. Context of the news. The replacement of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act with the VBG RAMG Act 2025 marks a paradigm shift in welfare philosophy. What has changed? From legal entitlement to discretionary allocation, greater central control over funds, reduced accountability to citizens. Why this is serious? MGNREGA recognized employment as a right. New model weakens federalism, dilutes democratic consultation. Why this matters for UPSC GS2 mains. Welfare state, rights-based governance. Essay, state-citizen relationship. Prelims, features of MGNREGA. Takeaway, welfare without rights risks becoming charity, not justice. DHRUV64, microprocessor, India's semiconductor leap. Context of the news. India launched DHRUV64, a 64-bit indigenous microprocessor under the DIRV program. Why this is strategic? Built on RISC-V open source ISA. No licensing costs like ARM or x86. Enhances technological sovereignty. Applications: telecom, automotive, electronics, defense, and strategic systems. Why this matters for UPSC GS3 mains. Semiconductor self-reliance. Prelims, RISC-V versus proprietary ISAs. Essay, technology and national security. Takeaway, chips are the new oil of geopolitics. Birth anniversary of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Context of the day. 25th December marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Why he matters? Founder of Banaras Hindu University, Congress President 4 times. Popularized Satyameva Jayate, champion of education, social reform and nationalism. Why this matters for UPSC GS1, Modern Indian History, Essay, Education and Nation Building. Prelims, Personalities and Institutions. Takeaway, nation building is as much about ideas as it is about institutions. For crisp notes, daily MCQs, answer writing practice, and structured UPSC courses, download the EduRev app, available on both Play Store and iOS App Store. Prepare smart, prepare conceptually, prepare with EduRev.